A long time ago, in a village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling stream, lived a cunning fox. This fox was notorious for his trickery, regularly outsmarting the villagers and their animals alike. One day, the fox was strolling along the stream when he came across an old turtle sunning herself on a rock. But what he saw when he got there made him feel ashamed. Let's all be friends. From that day on, the fox understood that even a creature as small and seemingly insignificant as a turtle could teach a powerful life lesson. And most importantly, he learned that honoring his commitments, even to nature, built trust and harmony. Every single villager was in the stream, along with their animals, all helping the turtle make her way up the hill. Even the old man who couldn't walk very well had joined in. And as they all helped the turtle, they were laughing and playing. And it was clear they weren't laughing at her, but with her. The fox wanted to run away, but it was too late. The turtle had made it to the top of the hill and everyone was applauding her. The fox, being the sly fellow that he was, couldn't resist the urge to play a trick. He leaned over and said, "Hey there, little turtle. I've been watching you, and I'm pretty sure not as slow as they say." The turtle opened one eye, looked at the fox, and said, "What do you mean?" The fox continued, "Well, you see that hill over there? If you can get up there before sunset, I'll believe you're as slow as they say." The turtle, eager to prove herself, didn't even bother arguing and immediately started her slow trek up the hill. She climbed. The fox raced back to the village and shouted, "Hey, everyone, come see the turtle. She's trying to climb that hill and she's so slow, it's almost funny." The villagers came out of their houses and started laughing at the poor turtle struggling on the hill. They jeered and made fun of her, and the turtle felt like giving up. But then she remembered something her grandmother had once told her. When others laugh at you, don't be upset. Let them laugh. 'Cause a true test of character is when we remain kind and dignified, even in the face of ridicule, with renewed determination. The turtle continued her climb. Meanwhile, the fox, proud of his clever trick, went back to the stream to wait for the sunset and for the turtle to give up. The turtle, taking a deep breath, turned to the fox and said, "You may have tricked me once, Mr. Fox, but I forgive you."